Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and I'm going to show you how you can remove a user's access from a Google Tag Manager account. So in this case, I'm just removing myself because I only have user access level, but if you have administrative access, you can remove any user. So I've logged into Google Tag Manager where I can see all my accounts here, and I see this account here, and it has one container, and I want to remove myself from this account. So I'll go over to the three-dot icon here and I'll click that, and then I'll click user management, and then you can see all the users and their roles. Since I only have user access, I can only remove myself, and I need to remove myself from this account. So I'm going to go over to the three-dot icon here. If you don't see these three-dot icons, just exit out of this and then refresh and come back in. You should see it. Sometimes they don't appear the first time you click into user management. But I'll click the three-dot icons and then I'll click remove myself. So if you are admin access, you can remove others doing the same process. And then I'll click remove to confirm. And then I'll refresh my Google Tag Manager account here. And then I can see that account has been removed now. So that's how you remove access for yourself or for other users. If you have any questions on that, please put them in the comments section and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.